Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by inserting Session Drummer on a software instrument track. Open the instrument slot and pick Session Drummer from the O instrument menu. This ensures you have the correct engine loaded. Once done, choose a kit preset that fits your song's tempo and groove so patterns sound cohesive. Make sure to set the project tempo and quantize settings now, because Session Drummer patterns follow project timing. You'll be ready to audition grooves and save time when you move to pattern selection. Now you focus on picking and shaping patterns. Use the Groove browser to preview grooves and fills, listening at the project tempo so you hear the real result. Once you've found a pattern, drag it to the Arrange area or trigger it by recording MIDI. Either method gives you editable material. After placement, open the pattern editor to tweak velocity, note length, and which kit pieces are used. This is where you make the groove sit in the pocket and match the song's dynamics. Finish by balancing and polishing the drum parts. Mix individual kit channels, send to a drum bus for compression or saturation, and automate dynamics to build arrangement energy. When you're satisfied, bounce in place or export stems, and consider converting patterns to MIDI for deeper editing or alternate samples. If you run into issues like timing drift or clicks, check your audio buffer size, enable plugin latency compensation, and reapply quantize if necessary. Those steps usually resolve alignment and latency problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.